welcome back to Revenge of the Smiths. And today we are at the Bucksport Skatepark and we're gonna have some fun. Cowabunga! Stop. Wah, wah, wah.
This is called the no-hander.
Oh, I think I've seen this on Skate 3.
What?
There we go.
Hey, you a cameraman? I'm the cameraman. I'm the god of cameraman. I'm the god of cameraman, bro. I was born a cameraman. I was born a cameraman, you know?
Alright, this is the one.
This is the money shot.
Money shot. Money shot. Cha-ching. It goes so fast.
Now or never time. Okay, now or never time has failed.
Yeah.
We're going to the playground now.
I failed. I wanted to get it done, but I couldn't. Frontside 5-0 will have to wait until another day to regain my former glory. Back when I was a skateboard master, a wizard, some would say, a technical coping dancer extraordinaire. But no more. I'm a washed up, middle-aged, practically 50 according to Julie, old man who just needs to appreciate the fact that he doesn't have any sort of like kind of disease. What's an old person disease? See, I can't be old. I can't even think of their diseases. Diabetes. I don't have the diabetes. I don't have it. I'm not gonna have to call that number and get it discreetly mail ordered to my house, to the convenience of my own front door, because I don't have it. See this? That's probably what my problem is. When I used to skate, I didn't have this. And now I have that. So it's gotta go. That's it. Lose weight, Jeff. What are we playing?
We're playing Sea Monster, and
Daddy's it.
You're it. And the rules are is that you have to start over there.
Where?
The rock mountain.
At the wall?
Yeah. And then you have to try to get all of us.
Uh-huh.
And then the people that you tag, then they join you.
Okay.
And then
And I have to stay on the ground?
no,
Yeah,
you can
and you
come
can
on the
come-
land for 10 seconds.
Do I have to yell something?
I'll just count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, 9, and 10. Ready or not, here I come. Do I have to yell something?
No, you just
not
come.
Ollie, Ollie, oxen free.
Monster.
Come.
Sea monster! Rah, 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 rah. This is difficult now that it's all broken. There's like
Like if you can't, you're just trapped. Get up there, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I gotta get off her. It's really hard to chase you guys. 10 seconds is not enough to do anything up there.
How about 15?
Oh, that's the 15 then.
Oh. What if I get a running start? I'm gonna put my feet right through this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got him! I got you're on my team. Now that was exhausting. And I only caught the slowest one. All right, you gonna go force him? You go up there and force him down, Mai. Teamwork, teamwork. You go up there. Is it 10 from the ground or 10 when he touches up there?
Hey, Daddy.
Why don't you reach up here then? Yeah.
I'm it now.
Get back down to the ground, Mai. Gotta get Ethan. All right, we got everybody, so let's regroup. Oh no! Where's he going? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, you left. Where's he going?
Automatic disqualification. That means Eli wins. That means that you win.
Yeah?
Eli wins.
Is that the end of the game? Eli's the winner?
Yeah. Another round.
All right. So if you want to watch one of the Revenge of the Smiths other videos, click right there. If you want to subscribe, click right there. If you want to eat something, just maybe go make some spaghetti because it's easy. See you later. Bye-bye.